This Engineering is Elementary digital how-to will show you how to prepare the testing basin and ice bath for your class as described in Lesson 3, Part 1 of Now You're Cooking, Designing Solar Ovens. You will need to create one testing basin for your entire class to do the activity for Lesson 3, Part 1. Students should work in groups of 3 ideally, but split your class so that there is an even number of groups, as the entire class uses an even number of fixed holder cups in an ice bath in the testing basin to test the thermal properties of different materials. To prepare the testing basin for your class, you will need the following materials. One plastic basin that measures approximately 15 inches wide, 12 inches long, and 4 inches deep. 11 clear plastic 10-ounce cups. These cups will be adhered to the basin interior. A sheet of medium grit sandpaper, and 1 tube of silicone sealant or adhesive. This should be waterproof so that the cups adhered to the basin will stay firmly in place amidst the ice bath. Make sure to begin preparing the testing basin at least 2 hours before your students will be doing the materials testing activity. Begin by scuffing the bottoms of 11 plastic cups using your sandpaper. 10 of these cups will be used as holders for students' testing cups, 1 cup per student group. The 11th cup will be a holder for the control cup you will create later. Then, use the sandpaper to scuff the inner surface of the plastic basin. The roughness of the cup bottoms and basin interior will allow the silicone sealant to better adhere the cups to the basin. Next, you will adhere 11 of the plastic cups to the interior of the plastic basin, using your silicone sealant. Apply the sealant to the bottom of each cup, making sure to apply sealant to cover most of the surface. Stick each cup to the basin by placing the cup bottom facing down into the basin and pressing firmly. Arrange the cups in rows along the longer side of the basin, with equal spacing between each cup. You can alternate the number of cups in each row to make sure that the cups are arranged evenly in the end. Once the 11 cups are set in place in the basin, allow the silicone adhesive to dry for at least 2 hours before beginning the ice bath and materials testing activity. Once your class is set to begin the Lesson 3 activity, you should prepare the ice bath for their materials testing. First, place approximately 4 ice cube trays worth of ice cubes into the basin. This should be about 48 ice cubes. Make sure to spread the cubes out evenly in all the spaces surrounding the cups, without placing any ice cubes inside of the cups. Next, fill the basin with 4 liters of cold water, so that the water level reaches about 2 to 3 inches. If your basin still has room, you can add more ice and water to increase the effectiveness of your ice bath for testing. Before your students conduct their testing, allow some of the ice to partially melt, while still leaving some ice in the basin as well. This allows the water to cool and the temperature to equilibrate throughout the basin. After you place a prepared control cup into one of the basin's cup holders, your students can begin their testing by placing their materials cups in the remaining cup holders.